If you look at our stock profile, a lot of our cars are fairly new, up to 3 years old. But every now and then we hand pick a car which is a little bit older, but it's special, it's spec'd right, it's got beautiful miles, and this is one of them examples. So this is a Range Rover Vogue in Santorini black. How people like to spec them, full black exterior pack, 22-inch wheels. But the big thing about this car, it has covered 26,000 miles. It's a 65 plate. Another great benefit, it doesn't fall into the big tax bracket. So this car is £285 a year of tax, which is exceptional for a £100,000 list price new Range Rover. Beautifully maintained, it looks superb with it and all that black styling. So if you put, if you put a private number plate on this car, it looks like a real flash. It looks an expensive vehicle. It is priced at £43,795. I touched on it earlier, black exterior pack, so we've got the grille, the badging, all the inserts. The wheels, they're 22-inch wheels, finished in high gloss black. Again, great condition. The Atlas vents on the side have been colour-coded in black. Side steps, privacy glass. Other options on top of this car's got soft closed doors. You don't get that as a standard. Moving around the back again, the Land Rover badges, LED lights. It just looks really, really well. 2 keys, it's all been maintained properly, and like I said, most importantly with this vehicle, 26,000 miles. I can't stress how important that is, because there isn't hardly anything you can compare this car to with that miles. It's all keyless, so we walk into the car, you don't have to use the keys, and then you've got the right interior. So it's Santorini black exterior, black leather, heated, memory seats, piano black door inserts, heated steering wheel, sliding panoramic sunroof, which I will show you later in the video. And you can tell if you look at the seat and the bolster here, that's what's important. It's crisp, and that's why you can see that it's only done the miles that it has. It's actually done 25,814. It's even done a little bit less. The sunroof, very important option. So it's got a sliding sunroof and an internal blind there as well. And then other things, steering wheel, I touched on it, is heated. You've then got heated seats, and it's a facelift in relation to the centre as well. So it's got, if you look here, it's still got your digital dials, automatic lights. You can see that little auto button there, that green. So that's automatic headlights as well. Great feature. Reversing camera, refrigerator in the centre, all the different driving modes, especially this time of the year. You know, grass, gravel, snow, off-road, mud ruts, all them options. So it's got massive spec. Things that are standard: satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, automatic wipers, automatic lights, which I mentioned, refrigerator in the centre. So there's a little button for that. You press that on like that. And then you've got all your auxiliary USB. And then as we move into the back, again, just look how crisp that car is in the back. Look, we've got bags, all the different service packs from when the car was brand new. Beautiful leather in the back, rear heated seats, rear digital climate control, all the original mats and everything with the car. Just a real crisp example. And like I said, we do not need to sell 65 plate Range Rovers, we don't. A lot of our stock, like I said at the start, is really new. But when they're special, when they've been beautifully maintained, and when they've only covered just under 26,000 miles, then we will. Because look at this. Look how crisp it all is. Massive boot space. You can drop the seats if you need to. 3-litre diesel, auto, all blacked. The right wheels, the right interior, the sliding roof. It's a great, great car, and it will sell instantly. I know we say it because I'll probably get another one of these cars. It might be another 6 months or 12 months. We do not pick them up like this, spec like this, with that mileage on. It's going live. If you want to ring me direct, my number's on the bottom of the screen. My name's Liam, and I can answer any of your questions. Thank you for watching. Be quick with this one.